So yes, I had to mute out some trucks and bikes a while ago. Yeah, so again, what I did here, I did a smart selection of this window itself, right? So I did a smart selection of this particular window, which is why you can see all of this here, right? So it allows you to see what I'm talking about. So this is my mic, right? This is a computer speaker. So whenever something is playing and you want it to be recorded, the best advice I can give you is to do this. And while it is in that position, you obviously press record, so that way you can go about your business and do whatever you want. If the video even stops, you can always come back and trim off the latter end of the video to where it actually stopped at the precise point, and then everything is perfect, and then you will have the video that. And why that is important is because you're doing this just in case you're in a situation where you don't have internet access and there's some videos that you really want to discuss, some videos you really want to capture and talk about, so if you are doing like a reaction video, if you're doing a critique on a particular video, like you want to, whether you're doing an agreement or you're in disagreement with whatever topic the person is presenting, then of course this is how you can go about doing that, right? You can just, again, go right here and you leave it like that. I'm only clicking it off because I need to continue talking to everybody, so there's that. So yes, that's that. And of course, if I want to disappear, I can always do this. Yeah, so there's a lot of fun you can have. There's a whole lot of fun you can have while you're using XSplit. So the first thing you do, download, yeah, XSplit Broadcaster. That's what you do. And then after, you watch a few tutorials on the initial setup, because the initial setup, this if you use it as is, it is fine. But of course, you might want to, get some, like a little extra advice depending on what kind of content you're going to be recording. Because let's say, for instance, you're going to be recording gaming, then you might want to, go into a little bit more advanced settings, but not too far, right? Yeah, not trying to make this too long, right? So I I'm no, I have an idea. Watch this. Okay, so let me apologize for any technical difficulties. So I was trying to show you that, right? That's the way that you can so I had that video originally. It was like a video with no audio, and whenever I wanted to create a different version of it, what I would do is I would throw it in XSplit, have it play, and then I would have another piece of music in the background, have that play, and of course I do as I instructed you to do. You press you mute the microphone so that there's none of the sounds from your environment get into the video itself, and then you record that. So this way you get multiple versions of the same video with different sounds. Yeah, so that's kind of what I wanted to show there. So I'm going to show us how to make this in the next video. Alright, so again, thanks for watching and I'll see you around. Again, this is Bossman Digital Media. I'm doing my best to, you know, make as many helpful videos as I possibly can. Yeah. So, I mean, what you're seeing here, yes. So what you're looking at is my screen selection of the VLC window, which allows me to play the song in the background. So again, thanks for watching. I'll see you.